Hello, my name is John Corsini, and I am president of Super Systems Optical Technologies, parent company to FastGrind International. Over the next 10 minutes, we will demonstrate the world's smallest and fastest lens surfacing system, FastGrind. The advanced technology used in the FastGrind system eliminates 9 expensive and space-consuming pieces of equipment used with traditional surfacing systems. FastGrind fits in just a 2-foot by 2-foot space and will produce a perfect pair of lenses in only 12 minutes. The machine requires only standard electric, water, and a drain. In fact, we recently developed a water recirculation option if water in a drain is not available. We are proud to have served the optical industry for over 20 years with the FastGrind technology in 45 countries around the globe. FastGrind is utilized by small independent opticals, large chain stores, and even the U.S. military. The complete compact package includes the FastGrind machine with built-in air compressor, the cabinet which holds all of your lap tools, computer, digital gauge, and all consumables necessary to get started, making FastGrind just plug and play. The machine does not require calibration like an edger and is so reliable that we provide a lifetime warranty for all of its parts. You will never have the expense of an on-site technician. FastGrind will produce the latest of lens designs as we continually update the system through software enhancements. The Premium Advantage HD digitally enhanced progressive, exclusive to the FastGrind machine, starts at under $15 per pair, making FastGrind the most cost-effective lens surfacing system for independent shops. In fact, just making 1 pair of progressives per day will justify your investment in FastGrind. FastGrind has been designed for the inexperienced operator so that any one of your staff can run it. So now, let's see how easy it is to operate the system. The first screen is where you would enter the patient's prescription and frame dimensions. We can then select the lens type that we want to produce. We offer a wide variety from single vision, progressives, both regular corridor and short corridor, bifocals, and trifocals. Then we can choose the lens material and coatings we want for the selected lens. We offer uncoated, hard-coated, high index, photochromics, and polarized. We also offer a premium AR coating. For this demonstration, we are going to select our Advantage High Definition Digitally Enhanced Progressive. Next, you would enter the pupillary distance. You could do monocular as well as binocular. Here is where the add power and seg height are entered. We will use an add power of 2 with a seg height of 18. We will also choose our AR coated lens. Here we have entered our frames A, B, DBL, and ED dimensions so that the system can calculate what thickness is required. The software determines the base curve. For this RX, it is a 550, and since it is a plus prescription, here it tells me that I'm going to have a 2.0 edge. If it were a minus prescription, it would provide a center thickness. On the next screen, it shows me I have a 2.0 edge and a 3.3 center. If I want, I can go back and change it to allow for a knife edge, or if I'm going to put a groove on it, I can increase it to 2.2 or 2.3. I'll now have a 2.3 edge with a 3.6 center. To make this prescription, the system has calculated that I need a back curve of 462 and 487. I will then select this tool from the cabinet below. It also shows me that I need a front curve of 550 with an add power of 2. I select an Advantage with the proper base and add power, right or left lens. The lens comes to you pre-blocked with a disposable block. This eliminates costly equipment, skilled labor, time, and potential error. First, place the right lens in the red holder at axis 90. There is a reference line on every block. You rotate it over to 90 and just lock it in place. So, I have now just locked my cylinder axis in. Place the left lens in the holder at the axis shown. Next, the software tells us to take the selected tool and place it on the lap table, which is held in place by compressed air from the built-in air compressor. We then place the coarse diamond pad on the tool, red for right and green for left. This is our generator and can be used approximately 400 times each. Next, we are asked to put the lens in the holder and clamp down onto the corresponding tool, and then press start. We are now generating the curve of the tool into the lens to create the prescription. The computer set time will count down automatically. When the machine stops, it will ask us to remove the lenses and place them in the digital gauge to take a reading through the holder to the back of the lens. Once we have our reading, we will then click the gauge button, which will automatically send the gauge reading to the software. We will then repeat that for the left lens. We will click OK to go on to the next step. The operator is then directed to grind again and take one more gauge reading. Because we take 2 gauge readings, the finished thickness is extremely accurate, within hundredths. So with 3 grinds, we will be ready to fine and polish the lenses. After the diamond pad, we now have our prescription and proper thickness, but we have some scratches that we need to take out. The software will ask me to remove the diamond pads and put on my fining pads. This will remove all the scratches, getting it ready for polish. We then load the lenses back up and press start. After the 1-minute cycle, we remove the lenses and inspect them for scratches. These lenses are scratch-free, so we can answer yes, they are scratch-free. If we found some scratches and answered no, it would have me fine it further. The software now prompts me to remove the fining pad and put on my polish pad. We'll dispense a little bit of polish directly on the pad. Load our lenses back up and press start. The machine will now run at low speed with no water. Notice that it is very clean. There is no mess like with traditional surfacing. At the very end of the process, the water will come on just to clean it off so that when we remove the lenses, there is no polish residue. We will now inspect them again for scratches, and as you can see, we have a beautiful finish and they are scratch-free, so we are ready to deblock these and put them on our edger. To deblock the lens, simply tap it lightly on the edge of a firm surface so that it will break away. In this example, we have a premium AR-coated lens ready for edging. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you will contact us soon to learn how we can help your individual business like we have so many around the world.